Top home remedies to cure thyroid. Medication for hypothyroidism can help to eliminate most of these symptoms. Along with your daily intake of medication, these natural remedies for hypothyroidism can help to cure permanently at home. 1. Flaxseed. Being a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, flax seeds are an excellent home remedy for treating hypothyroidism. You can consume 1 teaspoon of flaxseed oil or take 1 tablespoon of grounded flaxseed with water on empty stomach every day to enhance functioning of the thyroid gland. 2. Ginger. Ginger is an effective home remedy for hypothyroidism. It is rich in magnesium, zinc, potassium, and anti-inflammatory properties. Add fresh ginger slice to soups or other dishes or consume 3 to 4 cups of hot ginger tea daily. 3. Coconut milk. Coconut milk aids in restoring natural functions of the thyroid gland and help to increase the body's metabolism rate. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut milk to your glass of milk and consume daily to combat hypothyroidism. Coconut milk contains saturated fat and can easily be added to your daily cooking. 4. Iodine. Increasing the intake of iodine in your diet helps in restoring functions of the thyroid gland. Some of the natural sources of iodine are yogurt, oatmeal, potato, banana, radish, parsley, eggs, and seafood. It is also recommended to use iodized salt in your daily cooking. 5. Bladderwrack. Bladderwrack is seaweed that is considered to be a warehouse of iodine. So, it is a good remedy for hypothyroidism and should be consumed at least twice a day by people suffering from hyperthyroidism. 6. Black walnut. Black walnut is a great source of organic iodine and magnesium that helps in nourishing and strengthening the thyroid gland. Therefore, people affected with hypothyroidism should add more black walnuts than regular use in their diet. Thank you for watching this video. Like and subscribe for more videos.